Never import the reference video in your viewport for doing animation. Now this is the wrong way of doing animation. Why? Because when you import a reference in your viewport, the whole focus goes on creating the poses on the basis of what is there in the reference. You try to match the reference exactly, and while doing that, we forget to actually think about the correct posing aspects. We forget to think about the principles. The only focus we have is just to put everything matching with the reference, and this is where everything goes wrong. Now let me share a common example. If I give you a sheet of paper and if I give you 2 minutes to just copy that entire paper content by writing onto another book, what are you going to do? You will just keep on seeing and writing, and if I ask you the question of what was written in the entire sheet, most of you will not be able to answer this question, that what exactly you actually wrote in the paper. This is the same thing which happens in your animation. When you put your reference behind, the focus goes on to copying the things without understanding it, and when you go in the production house for working into animation as an animator, you actually don't get references. You need to shoot, you need to act, you need to think about the acting, think about the references, and this is where thinking comes into play. So stop doing that and start thinking and start understanding the poses before trying to create it. Never copy the poses directly with the reference behind. Always think, understand, and then make the poses. If you like this tip, share it with your friends and follow me for more such videos.